What is that?
This old junkyard car hasn't ran in almost 15 years, and today we're gonna change that.
Please be carbureted. Please be carbureted. EFI. We've put this thing off way too long. I'm not letting another derby car get crushed. Now, I actually grabbed the distributor connector to fix this, but it was supposed to be the ignition coil. Our distributor is just fine. Make sure the thing still cranks over, considering I left the intake off for like 6 months. Battery terminal shut, so we're just going to bypass the cable. Cranks almost a little bit too fast. Now on our ignition coil here, always power, intermittent ground, and if I had to guess, the red wires are probably power. I really should probably look this up, but we are getting power to the coil. So the coil should probably work. This is cut way too close to the connector, so I can't just tie it back together and force it to work. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to cut this wire here. The distributor cap was already off. We're going to go ahead and look over it, and that rotor looks fine, so I think we're just going to put it back on there, strap her down, and see if it lights off. Come on, baby girl, you got this. Now, obviously, since this thing's running, we have to take it for a test drive. However, I don't think the fuel pump works. This should be electric in 87, so we're going to look into that and see if we can kick the pump on manually. I don't think this car has any gears left. It says it's in park, but it definitely lunged forward. Typical Ford fashion, I only fuck around with it a lot, and work, you piece of shit. What the fuck, man?